check this out. I want to share with you some cool automation system I built that can help you also generate thousands of leads automatically, send them messages, and you can build a huge multi-channel, omni-channel outreach system. Hey, what's up? Today I want to share with you how I built this automation to find thousands of qualified leads on Twitter X with AI and automation. So basically, this is the automation. Let's run it actually. So it's gonna run 1, 2, 3, 4, blah blah blah. It's gonna run this. This one is adding all the new leads. Let's stop it for a moment and let's take a look here that we see that it added some new leads actually. Let's run it and see in real time because it's pretty cool. Yeah, so you can see here adding. Cool. So yeah, this first process is basically going to give you the lead. So let's walk through this. I'm basically using Phantom Booster that it's qualifying it's scraping the leads. And basically you select your Phantom. This one is a followers collector one. Once I get the output, it's gonna give me something really ugly. So if we'll take a look here, it's giving me something like this. Okay, so it's giving me the URL or the CSV and JSON. What's important here is to take the output, which is this JSON and CSV, and upload it to Airtable. That's what we are doing here. Here I'm using regex to find like so one of them it's the URL of this JSON. The second one is the URL of like who is the scrape. Then here I'm finding the on Airtable. I'm finding based on the what was scraped here, and we can see here that this is the table here. So it puts scraped status, it put the URL, and it put all these things. So this is the first step. Then and now we take the file. Okay, so we take this URL. There is this automation that you can get the file. It gets you all the information. From there, we parse the JSON. So we take the information from this JSON. This is the information we get back. And then we just, mix and match to the Airtable. So if we'll take a look here and we just put based on the, fields. And something new that I added to my system is you have a source. So you want to know where it came from. So later on you can say, okay, this source is really good source. Let's get more people. Or you can do like what I like to do is I like to scrape the source, review, send, and so on. That's the process. Yeah, so that's basically the result. Now let me show you some filters you can do. For example, default profile picture. Let's say you don't want people with default profile picture. So you can use a formula. If image URL equals to default profile normal, then it will give you 0 or 1. By the way, if you're not familiar with regex, or regex is basically a way to filter text, like I'll give you all this bunch of text, like here, and from this I just want part of it, and you can use regex to do this. Now, if you're not familiar with regex or Airtable formulas, you can just go to ChatGPT. This is what I do also. Ask him like, build me a formula on Airtable that can do this and that. Write a regex formula that can find me this text out of this text. So it's not really complicated. And also, okay, also the benefit of Airtable is you can go here and you can see like bio. Okay, so let's say I want only people that are founders. I will write here bio. Okay, we got like 3 people. Okay, that is the same one. It's because I ran the same automation over and over. So you want to run it until it finish giving all the leads. You can also add some automation to check if it's already there and so on. So you can start here. The process, like start here, like who is the people that I think are a good fit, who am I targeting, what are the chances that they're gonna have like in their bio. You can put here or, and you can do this. Now, then later on, after you study a bit and you understand, okay, what are the qualified leads? What I did is you can use regex. So all the bio profiles that contain CEO, founder, owner, coach, helping, all these keywords, they will be here. So, and then you can delete all these and you can then do qualified keywords equals one. Something cool that I did in my thing is I scrape something, for example, these ones, okay? I scrape these, I go to all these things, okay? Then I have ranks. So rank one, show me all the people in rank one. Rank two, show me all the people in rank two. Rank three, show me all the people in rank three. And I build it over time. So, you know, you can build it over time, then give it to your VA and say like, okay, start with one, two, three. So it's faster and it's more optimized. And yeah, later on, so let's say later you go and you say, okay, I want to message this person. The status is that I put here qualified. So now in the sending, what I like to do is I have a list of all the people I need to message. So either you use a VA or message yourself or use automation. And now you want to clean it a little bit. So let's say you want first name. So you're going to add like Johnny, let's say like the first name. Let's say you want some email here. So you're going to tell your VA to find an email. Let's say you want to find a LinkedIn URL and prepare it for sending. Okay, sending, it's like preparing for sending. Later on, you can do like if the stage is to message or like initial. So I already sent the first message. And the last contact is yesterday. Then this is all the list that I need to follow up. Um, Other cool things you can do here, you can go to automations and you can see like once, so let's say I messaged, once they responded and seen, go and take this and put them in some CRM so I give them more attention and I give them the attention they need. Yeah, so that's basically the system. You can use ChatGPT for all these things. Yeah, and I think I covered everything. So if you have any questions, if you need anything, let me know. And as well as if you need some help setting up the system, or if you want to use my system that I built for myself and you want to set it up, or if you have some other, automations that you want to set in your business, you can DM me, Boring SaaS Guy on Twitter, Boring SaaS Guy on Twitter X, and you can just, DM me. Let me know if you have any questions, any things you would like to add here. If you started building this and you have also you need some help, let me know. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next automations. I'll see you in the next cool systems. Bye bye.